it's your girl GLADWELL here, and today I'm super happy, so excited that today we are cooking one of the best dishes in Africa, that is a chicken. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So guys, it's your girl GLADWELL here, and today we have a very amazing video on how we cook our African traditional food. So today we are going to slaughter this big hen. Yeah, so guys, kindly subscribe and share this video before we continue, and welcome to our kitchen, our African kitchen. Yeah, so guys, after cutting the neck and making sure that the cock is dead, you have to now remove the feathers manually. Yeah, so for those people who buys their chicken when they are already slaughtered, this is the procedure. Yeah, so you have to remove all the feathers with hot water, not cold water, hot water. Yeah, so you remove one by one. It's always very hot because the water is kind of hot water.
Ilikuwa kamba.
Yeah, so guys, make sure that when you put hot water, the chicken is already dead, or else it will burn you because of jumping. Yeah, and also we have some ladies who cannot slaughter a chicken. They're afraid of slaughtering. But being an African woman, you have to know how to slaughter chicken. Very quick. Very so quick. Yeah, so in African life, this is how we prepare our chicken. Yeah, so I know I have friends who buy their chicken when it's already prepared, and that's the reason I said I should just show them how we prepare ours in Africa.
Mbaki ndogo. Nimechemka.
Unadunga.
Umekudunga? Pole. Ile mguu hata utupe tu. Hiyo ni ngumu.
Yeah, so guys, it's almost done. And you have to make sure that it's clean. And you wash it with clean water. Hot clean water. Eka ingine maji. Yeah, so guys, this is my chicken. It's big. Yeah, so guys, I'm rinsing my chicken. And cutting off the legs. So in Africa settlement, we don't throw away the legs. We love chicken legs. Sadi kuna place where zinauzwa. What is it?
Those ones are strong.
These ones are very hard. The chicken is an old chicken.
Old baba.
It's almost 3 years. About 4 years. So guys, it's clean. It's super clean. You can see it's clean. Hey guys, welcome back. It's a girl GLADWELL here, and now we're in a point whereby we are cutting our chicken into pieces. Wanaona ama utaizi?
Wanaona tuko sawa. One piece is enough for a child.
Yeah, very big pieces. But you know, everybody has a different way of slaughtering the chicken. Yeah, so guys, I'm done cutting my my chicken. Yeah, so as I said, we are preparing the chicken traditionally, so we won't be able to marinate. So we will only put it to boil. So I love boiling it with onions. Yeah, so as I said, it's very hard, so we will use the pressure cooker at least to make it soft. Yeah, so guys, thank you for being with us as we prepare this chicken. So we are only going to put it into the fire to boil.
Are you adding salt?
Yeah, we'll actually. Yeah, so guys, I already have my chicken here in the pressure cooker. So we have to use the pressure cooker because the chicken was very tough and we love it when it's soft. Yeah, so I will only put it in fire, then check on it until it's cooked. Yes, leave it for like 45 minutes. Then I can come and remove it. So guys, yeah, so we already boiled our chicken. So we had to boil it until it was so soft. So you can see now it's soft. Yeah, very soft. So we now cut the onions. So we are going to cook it the traditional way. So we are going to put some cooking oil. So don't put a lot of it because the chicken was a bit oily. Yeah, so guys, this is the end product of our food. Yeah, so I will serve. Ukasutu. Tuweke kwa food. Yeah, so that's our soup. You can see how thick our soup is. So guys, thank you so much for watching and kindly subscribe.